It's no difference between Scotland and Gotland.
Scotland and Gotland, very similar.
We're producing Gotch.
Gotch.
Next, I'm headed back to Gotland, a place that never fails to stun me. It's wild and beautiful and full of flavour. Well, it's the morning. Got a quick cup of coffee. I'm ready to go off, and I think this morning I'm going to go to a whisky distillery. A whisky distillery. I know them in Scotland. I've never been to one here. Another old building, but another new story. This time a former sugar factory, now reborn as a whisky distillery.
Well, I was told there would be a man in a kilt who would meet me, and it must be you.
Welcome, Joe.
I'm Joe.
I'm Marek.
Marek, nice to meet you. I wasn't expecting to meet a man called Marek in a kilt on Gotland.
My name is Marek Jönsson. I'm retired, I like whiskey, and I can talk. Therefore, I take care of all the visitors coming to guided tours.
Now, you look fantastic. This is glorious.
Thank you.
A little bit of Scotland.
Yep.
Transported across. A bit like the Vikings, but the other direction.
It's no difference between Scotland and Gotland.
Scotland and Gotland, very similar.
We're producing Gotch.
Gotch. That's good. I shall remember this.
Yes.
This is not like a distillery I've been to in Scotland, though.
I don't think so.
Very different. So we go in here.
Yep, in the old sugar factory.
And you have a connection with that, don't you?
I've been working here for 28 years.
Well, I know this building as my back pocket, and I left my heart here in 1979, and it was a glorious opportunity for me to keep on in the distillery.
Oh, my goodness. I'm guessing these are from the sugar factory.
Yes.
These huge, big silos. What were these things?
To evaporate water from the sugar slurry.
And you've just left them here?
Yeah.
They are fabulous. Wow. I never knew. It's a whole new world. So it's a new show. It's going to be Joe and Maya go and learn sugar making. But that's another series. Now we need to go and see a working distillery.
Yes.
Can you lead the way? You're going to show me where we head off to. It's the most extraordinary building. I absolutely love it.
And I'm happy to keep on working here.
I bet you are.
Yeah.
The sugar factory shut down in 1977, and decades later, 3 entrepreneurs stepped in and gave it a second life. Today, the old industrial halls are home to a whisky distillery, as well as a craft brewery, sausage making, and even snus. Basically, all the essential pleasures in one place.
Oh, it's very nice. Now, this is quite a refreshing style. I like this a lot.
The whisky is made from locally grown organic barley, malted right here on the island.
It smells fabulous.
Can we have a look?
Yeah, come on.
Yep.
Oi. Oh, it's like a sauna. Yeah. It smells lovely, like breakfast cereal.
Yeah. No sugar left.
No sugar, it's all completely gone in the juice. Look at this. Shall I open that side?
Yep. You can have a smell.
You can.
Yeah.
Oh, it's fruity.
Yes.
So this is going to be, that now becomes Gotland whiskey.
Yep. And then we move it to this tank from a dairy.
Everything's reused.
Yeah.
So an old milk tank.
Yeah.
That's where it sits. And then it can go into a barrel. And this, I guess, is the next stage of the process.
Yeah, filling up the barrel. Ooh, me too.
Ooh. It smells of Christmas pudding.
Ooh.
It's a really raisiny Christmas pudding, Christmas cake smell.
Do you want to fill it?
I do. I do. But do tell me, this is like filling your car up.
Yeah.
But with much more useful. So what, I just put it there.
Yep.
And then
Just squeeze.
Squeeze. I can feel it going in.
Filling the barrel today, just a small part of a much bigger process, but still, there's something satisfying about knowing that a tiny bit of that whiskey story starts with me.
Okay, Joe. Now we're in the one of the stores, warehouses.
Good grief. This is brilliant. Apart from being visually incredible, it's the smell. It's that lovely woody smell that comes off them. Very gentle and quiet. I love it. This is glorious. I wish you could smell it. It would make it so much better if you could smell it. Take this. Ah, that's it. Success. Right, look, the lovely colour. Amber. Oh, that's gorgeous, isn't it? It's rich and mouth-coating, but fruity. It's rich raisins, fruitiness. Thank you very much. If you just don't mind leaving me, I'm quite happy here.
And just like that, another incredible experience in another old building with a new purpose. From sugar to spirits, history keeps finding ways to pour itself into the present.
Ah, now that's a proper champagne glass. I can see I'm triggering you.
Yes, you are. Actually, when it comes to choosing the right glassware, when it comes to wine, it could be hard. Because this is a kind of champagne glass and this is a kind of champagne glass, but this is actually the best one to drink from.
What's the difference?
So the important thing is to have the narrowing on the opening
like
to
a
your
tulip.
nose. Yes, and this is just actually when you smell it like this. Now let's try it. It's just completely different. You can't almost smell anything from this one.
Can't smell a thing. Well, it was just a bit. But then can I pour it back into here?
Yeah.
This is a technical. It does, it completely changes it.
And you need to try this at home because this is so much big difference. So you have the big surface, which you want, but you need to have the narrowing in the top as well to concentrate the aromas on the nose.
That is a proper champagne sparkling wine glass.
It is.
Not them.